Welcome to Moonlit Meadows Tales, where learning becomes an exciting adventure. Today, we're exploring the wonderful world of Grade to the Habitats quiz. Get ready to discover where animals live, from the deep ocean, the cold polar region, the hot desert, to the tall mountains and green jungles.
Ready, go!
Where do you find the tiger? Great guess! Let's see if you nailed it. Tigers live in jungles where there are many trees. Where do you find the dolphin? Is it mountains, jungle, or ocean? Dolphins live in the ocean and swim in groups. You're doing amazing! Where do you find the camel? You've got this. Trust your thinking. Camels are adapted to live in hot deserts. Where do you find the parrot? Ready to check our answer? Parrots live in warm places with lots of trees, and the jungle is their natural habitat. Where do you find the shark? Mountains, polar region, or ocean? Sharks live in deep ocean waters. It gives them plenty of space to swim and hunt for food. Where do you find the penguin? No pressure, just try your best. Penguins live in icy, cold habitats where the ground is covered with snow and ice, and they are specially built to stay warm in freezing temperatures. Where do you find the elephant? Jungle, ocean, or desert? Elephants live in jungles where they roam through thick trees and tall grass, using their strong trunks to find food, water, and to take care of their herd. Where do you find the octopus? Octopuses live in the ocean, where they swim, hide among rocks, and use their 8 arms to explore their underwater home. Where do you find the polar bear? Take your time and choose your best answer. Polar bears live in very cold Arctic regions. Excellent job! Where do you find the whale? Jungle, mountains, or ocean? Whales live in deep ocean waters. Great progress! Where do you find the jellyfish? Let's see who guessed it right this time. Jellyfish float and live in the ocean. Fantastic thinking! Where do you find the bat? Caves, river, or beach? Bats sleep during the day. To get a good rest and stay safe from other animals, they like to sleep while hanging upside down in the dark, quiet, and cozy spaces of caves. Where do you find the scorpion? scorpion is a special animal with a stinger on its tail, and it loves to live in the hot, sandy desert because its hard shell helps it stay safe and hide from the sun. Where do you find the rattlesnake? Polar region, desert, or ocean? Rattlesnakes are found across the Americas, inhabiting a wide variety of habitats like deserts. Where do you find the turtle? Let's find out if you made the right choice. Turtles live in the ocean, where they swim, find food, and grow safely. Where do you find the bald eagle? Bald eagles can be found in mountainous habitats, especially near mountain lakes, rivers, and valleys where there is water for fishing and tall trees for nesting. Where do you find the goat? Goats are often found in the mountains because they are good climbers and can move easily on rocky slopes. Which animal live here? It's okay to guess. Every try helps you learn. The correct answer is Arctic fox. Arctic foxes live in the polar region because their thick white fur keeps them warm and helps them hide in the snow to stay safe. Which animal live here? I bet you can solve this. Trust your instincts and guess. The correct answer is crab. Crabs live in the ocean because they need water to breathe through their gills, and the ocean provides food and a safe home for them. Which animal live here? Ostrich, monkey, or gorilla? Ostriches can live in deserts because they are strong birds that can handle very hot weather and can run fast to find food and stay safe from predators. What do you find in the polar region? Do you know that the temperatures in places like northern Greenland have been recorded as low as -70°C? You find snow in the polar region. You're doing great. What do you find in the ocean? Oceans cover about 71% of Earth's surface. You find coral in the ocean. Wonderful work! What do you find in the desert? Do you know deserts aren't just hot? Some are cold, and even hot deserts cool down dramatically at night. You find sand in the desert. You're learning so well. What do you find in the mountains? Sand, coral, or rocks? Do you know the highest mountain in the world above sea level is Mount Everest in Asia? You find rocks in the mountains, where they are big, strong, and formed naturally over many years. What do you find in the jungle? Coral, trees, or rocks? You find trees in the jungle, where they grow tall and provide homes for many animals. How many questions did you answer correctly in this quiz? Great job, explorers! You've completed the habitats quiz and learned so much about where different animals live. Remember, every question you answer makes your English stronger and your knowledge grow. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe and explore our playlist full of grade to English, science, and maths quizzes to keep learning every day. See you next time. Goodbye.